Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. So tasty. Go ahead and try it, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing for you a blueberry strawberry banana smoothie. Blueberry strawberry banana smoothie with a mixture, okay? So before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, and for my birthday greetings, guys, you came all out and you did it for me. Thank you for the birthday shout out. Thank you to Anne Becky for that Ron Mouchette radio thing there. Mellow vibes, yes. Thank you so much for this shout out. I appreciate you, and for everyone who commented on my posts. Wow, it's amazing. My day wouldn't have been better without you guys. You make it so super special, and I thank you. Okay, and happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate Thanksgiving this time of the year. Yes, yeah, it was my birthday and Thanksgiving in one. Yes, so thank you guys so much. Thank you. And remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth, TikTok, Instagram. Follow me, guys, and follow my Facebook page. If you are not following and you are a member of my YouTube channel, please go over to Facebook and follow me, okay? It's Ann Booth, okay? So let's dive right into this video. So I have here in this bowl the blueberry and strawberry, yes, and I have 2 ripe bananas. They are going, but yeah, they're going to be good in the smoothie. And I have my yogurt, and I have this one, which is strawberry Greek yogurt, yes. And guys, I'm gonna be using some cranberry juice to make this smoothie, okay? And I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Alright, so let's get the banana out. Yeah, I hate when my banana is like this, so I use it for smoothie when it's like this, okay? And I don't really use this part, so I'm cutting that away, and I'm gonna use this part. Alright, so let's put these garbage aside. I'm gonna add my blueberry and my strawberry. Okay, then I'm going to add my yogurt. So guys, if you don't want to use yogurt in your smoothies, you don't have to. Okay, or you can use any other yogurt. Always tasty. And this is my cranberry juice I'm gonna add to this. And if you notice today, guys, none of the fruits frozen, okay? It's too cold, so I'm not going to even use any ice. So however this comes out, that's it, okay? Yeah. Okay, so let's. And there you have it, guys. My blueberry, strawberry, banana smoothie. Okay, so I'm gonna glass this now. Okay, put it aside. Let's come in with the glass. So I'm gonna glass this, guys. Ooh, so pretty in color. Look at that. 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 So pretty in color, guys. So pretty in color. So tasty. So delicious. Blueberry and banana makes everything taste different, makes everything taste yummy. Yeah, see? So yummy. So go ahead, guys, and try this smoothie. You will love it. Okay, it consists of blueberry, strawberry, banana, yogurt, and some cranberry juice. That's it. Go ahead and do it. Try it today. You will never regret that you tried it. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Until my next video. Bye.